Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to copy and paste text messages on Android. The first thing you do is open up your message app and then go to the text message you want to copy. Let's say I want to copy this particular text message. Press down on it like this. Once you choose option, so you have the option for copy view. So let's choose copy text, and then you go where you want to paste it. So I want to paste it, new message, tap on this to create a new message, and then here this I put the recipient, so choose the recipient for the message, and then let's tap on done. Now let's put the message itself, paste it there. It's as simple as that. That is how to copy and paste text messages on Android. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.